How to create a new account on Framer website. Hey everybody, today I'll show you guys how you can easily sign up for a new account on Framer. First thing you do is go to your web browser and then simply search for Framer website. Hit enter and you'll see the typeform.com. So click on this Framer and open this link, framer.com. From here, you can just go ahead and click on Start for free. If you already have a Google account, you'll be prompted to log in using that. But let's just start for free right now. You'll be taken to the login page, so you're going to have to continue with either Google or your email. So I'm just going to continue with my email, provide the email address right here. Click on Continue. As you can see here, it has something happened on their end, so let's just try with Google this time. If you're unable to continue with your email, you can always try to switch over to Google and it should most definitely work most of the times. Now just provide your email address, your name, and agree to terms and conditions. If you want to update emails, you can just check this box as well. I'm not going to do that. Let me just click on continue now. You can select yourself. So I'm going to select others, what you're using Framer for. I'm going to choose personal projects and then click on continue. Let's just do this for a portfolio website and select all of these options like how did you hear about Framer? Let's just select others and then click on get started. All right, so once you've answered all of these questions, you should be able to create a completely new account on Framer. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.